Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. My name is Junior. Once again watching Just Theme Park Dude. We are here for the final week of Chester and Hester's DinoRama here at Dinoland, USA inside of Disney's Animal Kingdom. Now, there's not a ton of stuff closing. It's really just the flat ride here, which you'll see later in this video, Triceratops Spin. These carnival games, the gift shop back there, and just pretty much just the dino area around it. But what will be staying open is the dig site, the restaurant, and also dinosaurs. So the big ride is still going to be open through 2025. They're first though going to get this area and then Encanto. That used to be where Primeval World was back before COVID, and it never ended up reopening, unfortunately. But yeah, no, we are here at the carnival, and they're still playing Christmas music. But I always thought it's really weird that it's designed to look like a parking lot. I mean, I get it, but at the same time, you know, it's kind of funny. But I do want to see if I can get one of these souvenir tickets though, because they are collectibles and it will say Chester and Hester's DinoRama on it. So here's the big dinosaur that is on the outside. That kind of looks like Arlo from The Good Dinosaur, but this will be going as well. And this is like an iconic Animal Kingdom thing that's been here, you know, since the whole area has been here. But I did pick up one of these. So this was $6. It is one of the arcade tickets. I'm not using it, I'm gonna keep it. But apparently I asked the worker and a lot of people are getting these to put in scrapbooks. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It just says, you know, you can't use it for anything else. And it says Chester and Hester's DinoRama on it. And I think these are relatively new. Like, this is one of the newer ones, because she said, are you gonna use it or keep it? And I didn't know if that meant if you're not gonna use it, she won't let you have one. But it turns out, no, she was actually just being very kind and wanted to know if I was gonna keep it to put in a scrapbook, which I am gonna end up doing. And yeah, really cool. We're gonna keep this for a long time. Maybe I'll bring it back when Encanto comes for a cool photo, who knows. But yeah, like I said, the dig site behind me will be remaining open. Lots of fun memories here at Dinoland. I remember when I was younger with all the characters, which we even have Donald down here. I think some of the characters will be sticking around because I know that whole area is still gonna remain. I'm assuming construction walls are gonna be right ahead of me, and then you're gonna use that side back entrance to get to Dinosaur or the restaurant. But coming back around here, we have Kevin the dinosaur, or Kevin the bird, I guess. But he is a relative of the dinosaur, since all birds are, I guess, part dinosaur. I didn't know that until Donald, the whole Dino Bash thing here. But yeah, we have Kevin the dinosaur right there, which is awesome. That is really cool. But they're kind of doing a full loop. There really is, it's not a huge area, but we're gonna head on to Triceratops Spin, so enjoy a quick POV of that.
Whoa, boy! How was that for a spin? Now please stay seated until you've got Triceratops to a complete stop.
So yeah, they're still playing Christmas music in the area, and there's still Christmas music all around. It is January 6th, so it's been, you know, 2 weeks since Christmas, but you know what? You can never have too much Christmas. So yeah, there's all the games. I'm not gonna be playing the games because I did just want one of these, I guess, commemorative things, because there's nothing else that says Dino, like Chester and Hester's DinoRama, that I could find except for one of the stuffed animals that you have to win by playing the games. And I'm not too good at those games, and it's also gonna cost a lot of money. So I'd rather just pay $6 for one of these tickets and keep it for safekeeping instead of ending up using it and losing it and then having to pay another $6 to get another one. But yeah, this is just a short little video. I've recorded a bunch of videos while at Disney today because it's actually my final day before I head back up to college. So if you saw another video where I'm in Disney recently, it's probably from this exact day. I was just at Hollywood Studios, now I'm here at Animal Kingdom, and I'm going to Magic Kingdom later for some fun family time, but I came early in the morning before my family to go film these content videos at Hollywood and here. So yeah, thanks again so much for watching, and please leave a massive like and subscribe for future theme park content. My name is Drew, and you've watched Your Theme Park Dude. See ya, bye.